From the 3rd of the 5th month of 1446, Pomba Gira. Some call a queen of heaven, which might be a queen for hell. The clouds were parted, and now are closed in rain. The gates of other rulers are my kingdom. The walls are raised, and will fall without shame. Whether nature or the artificial will put up more of a fight is something left to tell. And in Brazilian culture, we have the word Pomba Gira, which is from Pombu, Agila, which of course relates to the crossroads. The intersections, the spaces in between. And a Pomba Gira represents the feminine side. Sexuality, beauty, desire. Like a fire that must be fed. And in matters of desire, emotion, feelings, these are those that worship the Pomba Giras.